happens, about a week later, the larva of a housefly is fully grown. Then it burrows itself into the place it is feeding on. When it burrows itself, its outer skin hardens and darkens into a hard covering.
So, a larva changes into a dark brown capsule-like structure. This structure is a pupa.
You all know that the pupa of a butterfly is bag-like, but the pupa of a housefly is capsule-like structure. Now look at the pupa of a housefly one more time. It has a hard outer covering. It is known as a cocoon. The cocoon protects the pupa inside it.
Like the pupa of a butterfly, the pupa of a housefly too eats nothing. Nor does it move.
So, the pupa of a housefly is also the resting phase. But the interesting thing is that from inside, the pupa of a housefly too is very active. Every part of the maggot is changing inside.
The pupal stage of a housefly lasts for 4 to 5 days. So, within 4 to 5 days, a pupa goes through all the required changes. Then, it molts for the last time.
Take a look at this pupa of the housefly. Can you see the cocoon opening from one end? A new housefly is coming out of the cocoon. This is an adult housefly. An adult housefly is also known as the imago.
Like the wings of a butterfly, an imago also has folded wings. So, a new housefly or the imago cannot fly.
Like a new butterfly, an imago also unfolds its wings. And it dries them in the air.
Then, it starts to fly with the help of its soft wings.
You all know that butterflies have male and female. The male and the female butterflies meet each other for reproduction. It is called mating. Like butterflies, houseflies too have male and females. The male and the female houseflies meet each other for reproduction. It is also called mating.
Remember that only an adult female housefly can lay eggs. And the adult female housefly can lay eggs only after mating.
It takes about 2 weeks for a new housefly to become mature enough to lay eggs. Once a mature female housefly lays eggs, the egg hatches and they go through the different stages to become an adult housefly. Students, now you know about the different stages in the life cycle of a housefly. They are the egg, the larva, the pupa, and the adult. Now look at their shapes, sizes, and colors. The eggs of a housefly are very small and oval shaped. The larva of a housefly is worm-like, while its pupa is capsule-like. So, the shapes, sizes, and the colors of the egg, the larva, the pupa, and the adult of a housefly are different.
A larva completely changes its shape, size, and color when it changes into a pupa. And a pupa also completely changes its shape, size, and color when it changes into an adult.
The change in shape, size, and color of an organism when it goes from one stage of its life cycle to another is called the metamorphosis.
So, a housefly has 4 stages in its life cycle: egg, larva, pupa, and adult. In appearance, all these 4 stages do not look similar to each other. They differ greatly from each other.
An insect that has all the 4 stages, the egg, larva, pupa, and adult in its life cycle, which differs greatly from each other in appearance, is said to have a complete metamorphosis. So, a housefly is an insect with complete metamorphosis.
Like a butterfly and a housefly, insects like a honeybee and a moth also have complete metamorphosis.
Students, you must have been sick sometimes. Have you ever wondered why you become sick?
You become sick when diseases attack your body.
Typhoid, cholera, dysentery are some of the diseases which attack our bodies. And the most important thing is that the houseflies spread all these diseases. So, we should keep the houseflies away from us. Students, can you tell me how we can keep the houseflies away?
By keeping our surrounding clean.
You all know that houseflies are usually seen around decayed fruits, vegetables, and flesh. They live and lay their eggs in these decayed things. They live and lay their eggs in the dirty places. But if we keep our surroundings clean, then where will the houseflies live? And where will they lay their eggs?
So, a clean surrounding means no houseflies.
Hence, we should always keep our surroundings clean to keep the houseflies away and become safe from different diseases.